Hello and welcome to another haul video. And I've noticed that this past 3 videos of mine, and this will be the 3rd one, I've been doing hauls, but I didn't buy this all at once. These were accumulated items for the last 2-3 months. I realized that this is the time, or I should start making videos out of this so that I can keep it, or I can store it properly instead of just these things laying around here. And if you want to see the items that I got, please keep on watching. So there was a sale going on in Ikea 2 months, I think in July, something like that. So I got this bag, and inside it just has this makeup organizer. This was on sale also that time, so it was 50 off. I think this was around 3 KD. This is an acrylic organizer. This is how it looks like. I can store my brushes here. Then there's a manual guide. Then maybe here some other makeup. Then here my palettes maybe, or here underneath. Also went to SUPERDRY that time, and the first item that I got is this one. This is a SUPERDRY and jacket, and in size medium. Then it just says here SUPERDRY NYC, and it's like embossed with something like rubber. Then Brooklyn 6268. Then it's just plain. Also at the back got a skirt. This skirt is in navy blue and it's long. Another skirt, long skirt in gray, and then here there's SUPERDRY. So this one is like jersey skirt, something like that. It says here SUPERDRY. Then when you open inside, chest color black, because that time there was like brown, black, and dark, light brown, dark brown. So just opt for this one, the black color, since most of, or some of my things, if not black, it's pink. Then you can just put your passport here and maybe some cards here. Comes with a bag tag or luggage tag you can open. The next is this jogger pants. Then it has lines here on the side, red and white. Then it's navy blue. Then it just says SUPERDRY here. This one is in size medium. Initials here SD. Last item is this one with SUPERDRY in it, in black as well. Watching haul videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. See you next one. Bye.